There's a new phishing tactic bypassing security detection systems and looks like it's genuinely from Google. Hi, I'm David Moore with NetGain Technologies with a security update you should know about. Recent reports show fake emails mimicked legal subpoenas from Google. These phishing emails looked legit. They cleared all of the background checks and do not have traditional red flags usually found in phishing emails. Here's the email. Check it out. It literally says it's from Google, and the email it's sent from shows that it's from Google. It shows no reply at google.com. It doesn't have any fake URL when you hover your mouse over the sender's email address. The phish then directs people to a fake website set up using sites.google.com, where they're instructed to put in their credentials, user information, and password in order to confirm their identities. But that's when the attackers are stealing your credentials and can become you online. So how did they do this? Well, simple. DKIM is a method of authenticating emails by using a digital signature. Attackers took a valid email they received from Google, changed a portion of it, and forwarded it on. It gets past the security systems that are set up to flag it as phish or scam. So when you get this email, do not panic, do not go to the fake website, and do not put in your credentials. Simply contact your IT security team and follow us for more.